stood there in the back of the church of a broken people, listening to the walking wounded tell their stories. My turn came and I told them my name. I said, this ain't my first time. But then a man started talking about the devil and the Bible was ruining my life. Last night on my prayer, I stood up and said, it ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard times, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy, it ain't the whiskey that's killing me, that's killing me, that's killing me. It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the whiskey. Oh, that's really cool, sweetie. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha on the guitar, on the guitar. Oh, that's really pretty, sweetie.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and today, you know, that song's about whiskey. It's about ISHKODE WAABOO whiskey, Firewater is what we called it, Firewater. And oh wow, it's a really depressing song.
I know.
And so yeah, you know, I noticed, you know, as I get older, I start to like the depressing songs more for some reason. But ISHKODE WAABOO, Firewater is our word for whiskey. And oh wow, it's been nothing but trouble, you guys. And so ISHKODE WAABOO. And if you want to say it's not the whiskey, it ain't the whiskey, you say, Gawin, ISHKODE WAABOO Z. It ain't the whiskey. Yeah. So what do I want to say about that? You know, I went on this whole diatribe a while ago about how the superhero movies always have the superheroes drinking whiskey, drinking Firewater. And then we wonder why our kids grow up to drink so much.
Yeah, no kidding.
I was watching the Avengers, and you know, they're all drinking together, and I watched that Justice League, Batman. Oh, I need a drink. I mean, what is that? Superman drinks a beer. Can Superman even get drunk?
Oh, I don't know.
Can Wolverine get drunk? You know, he's got the healing powers. So why are these guys drinking? I don't know. Because they're trying to sell booze. That's, I mean, that's all the conspiracy is. All right, ISHKODE WAABOO, whiskey. And it ain't the whiskey, but, you know, it is the whiskey. All right, well, hey, you want to add anything to this?
Nah, that was pretty good.
All right, well, hey, we're going to mahjong. We're gonna go. So I just want to say, you know, miigwech for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.
A podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Giga waba min, inawa. Oh, wa. All right. That was a pretty good one.